In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up auto reply in Yahoo Mail initial solution. If you're heading out of the office or just need some time away from your inbox, an automatic reply lets people know you've received their message and when you'll be back. I'll walk you through the exact path inside Yahoo Mail so you can turn this on confidently and quickly. Start by opening your web browser and going to yahoo.com. At the upper right, select Sign In. If you see an extra prompt or landing page, simply click Sign In again to continue. Choose your existing Yahoo account or enter your email address, then sign in with your password. If Yahoo asks for additional verification, complete that as well. Once you're signed in, look at the upper right and click Mail to open your Yahoo Mail. If you land on the home page, just click Mail again to make sure your inbox opens. Inside Yahoo Mail, go to the upper right and click the gear icon to open Settings. A small panel will appear. At the bottom of that panel, choose More Settings to open the full settings page. On the left side, select Out of Office Response. This is where you'll manage your vacation or auto reply. Turn the feature on by clicking the toggle to enable it. Next, set your start date. The day you want the auto reply to begin. Then set the end date, which is when Yahoo should stop sending your automatic response. These dates follow your account's time zone, so if timing matters, double-check your time zone in your account settings beforehand. You can always come back and turn this off early if your plans change. In the message box, type the reply people will receive while you're away. Keep it clear, brief, and helpful. For example, let them know you're away when you'll return and what to do for urgent matters. Avoid sharing sensitive details. A professional, friendly tone works best, and you can add a short note explaining possible delays in response. When everything looks good, click Save to apply your auto reply. From this point on, Yahoo will send your message automatically during the dates you selected. Typically, each sender receives your auto reply once per day, which helps prevent inbox flooding on their side. Remember that attachments aren't included in auto replies, so keep the message text only and informative. That's it, your Yahoo Mail auto reply is now set up. If you need to make changes, return to Settings,